Hello, so this is the Seagull SC 888D. Okay. So the camera comes in a great condition, and it has a self-timer, and this is the back of the camera. Okay, so just open the back of the camera. So push this up. Okay, show you the shutter. Shutter opens. And then next we're going to do is insert our film. Okay. So make sure that the film is inserted properly already. After that, close the cap. You should see that the film counter goes to number 1 if the film is loaded properly. As you should, you can see that the film counter goes up as well. Okay, so right now I'm inside of light box, so there's no flash triggered. But right now I'm going to cover the light meter on the front of the camera. Then you will see that the flash will be triggered as well. Okay, once again outside the light box. Okay, so the auto flash is still okay as well. And next we're going to test the self timer right here. So you can see there's a red light right here. Okay, yep, so basically that's it. After you use finished all the films already, it will start to run by itself, or you can just press the pause to run button right here. This one is the film loading. It tells you if the film is loaded properly or not. Okay. If your film is not loaded properly, you will see that this thing doesn't turn at all. So if your film is loaded properly already, then this thing will turn now. Okay. So right now there is no film, so this thing doesn't turn now. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.